Non-stick grill pan with ridges, is perfect for searing steaks, grilling burgers, chicken, bacon more. The grill's bottom ridges add appealing sear marks to foods while allowing extra liquids and fats to drip away. Deep sides minimize splatters. Ultra non-stick. The non-stick cooking surface is coated 3 times and reinforced with diamonds to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free, 1, 2, 3 cleanup. Healthy 100% non-toxic. The Gotham Steel coating is derived from minerals and reinforced with diamonds, making this frying pan free of PFOA, PFOS, lead cadmium for an eco-friendly, healthy experience. Metal utensil safe. The coating of the pan is infused with diamonds, the strongest material on Earth, which makes it durable enough to withstand metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks and even electric beaters while delivering years of outstanding, non-stick use. Effortless cleanup. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Stovetop oven safe. Compatible with all stovetops, gas, electric, glass, besides induction oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay cool handles. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for both righty and lefties. The unique Y-shaped handles lets heat escape and keeps the handles cool to the touch. Even heat distribution. Aluminum composition ensures even heat distribution all around with no dead zones or hot spots. Top reviews from the United States. Non-toxic. This is a great grill. The ridges are really going to have for cooking grease. Best of all, what I just learned is that it's totally free all these new chemicals that are poisonous. I had Teflon back in the day when I used to peel off again to food, and these new things that they were putting in a PFO PFA. I've just been classified as toxic substances by the government, and this happens to have none of that, which is very important.